However, I thought on the way I will buy some from local fuel station. My invoice here, you can have a lot of confidence, put it to the customer. Somewhere. Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I'm going to talk about DPF and AdBlue. I'm going to cut DPF section and only I'm going to talk about AdBlue today. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now. Press bell icon, then you can get my new videos. If you have any question, comments, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. First of all, I'm going to explain my scenario. This is very interesting for you. If you have a diesel car, Euro 6 engine, or if your vehicle has a AdBlue system, this one I'll made for you, not for the other cars. I'll explain you a little bit of my scenario. Yesterday I got the breakdown cover. Basically, customer said AdBlue faulty and the vehicle not starting. That's why I got the message. I said okay, I'll come. Then once I ready to the job, I realized my AdBlue run out. What to do? That time I don't have enough time to contact my local supplier and ask to bring AdBlue. Basically, I went to the fuel station and I bought the 10 liter of can. Then I'm going to start from there now. This is the interesting thing. Stay with me, follow the video until end. After that, you know what you have to do. I'm not going to comment anything, you will decide. This one people known as a exhaust fluid, but however AdBlue is a trader name. Do you know what is inside? AdBlue made with demineralized water and urea mixture. This one shouldn't be open to direct sunshine and it need to store in a proper environment. However, I'm talking with deeper middle of the video. Stay with me, follow the whole video and take a good idea. These days, AdBlue problem, it's look like a everywhere massive problem. Last 3-4 months, inquiry getting day-to-day high. However, I'm going to talk about the AdBlue because this is the 10 liter can, and other thing I want to mention this point. I am not personally problem with this brand or this seller. I'm just giving for your information. A part of that, no any hiding thing inside here. I bought this one from local fuel station and I paid 33 something. I'll put the, to be honest, I feeling because of that emergency situation I bought this one. But if you well organizing and plan ahead, you can save a lot of money, because normally I am bought 20 liter can between 30 and 40. But however, if I pay like a 40 pounds, I can buy roughly 20 liter can. And the other thing, I didn't use this one because I'm not comfortable with this storage and the instruction. First I'm going to follow the instruction. I'll put the instruction here, how to storage and everything. You can see here. Basically, this one say don't store direct sunshine. This one direct face into the sunshine. Because of that, I have good confidence to put it to the customer car. This one, because I know it's not right. That's why I bring it back. Even I didn't open the cap here. I'm going to open now. Normally, if you smell this one, it shouldn't be smelled. This one little bit smelly there. The thing there is date there. You can see here there is a date. I'll put the photo here. There is a date, but however when I read the label, it's not saying anything clearly when is the manufacturer and how long I can use this one. No any information there. This is the another weak point of this product. And the other thing, once you open this one, once you use it, make sure close nicely. This container shouldn't be open to the air. This is airtight one. You have to close properly, and after that you can squeeze in and make sure it won't leak. When you're going to buy this one, squeeze the container and have a look any leakings around this area. If it leaks, don't going to buy because it's not airtight. That's another step when you're going to buy AdBlue. That's another step. When I way to back, I took another video, another fuel station. Same way they stack like this fuel station. All fuel station doing the same method. Somewhere not right because this container shouldn't be outside. When you buy like this thing, buy some place stack in-house, then you can save your DPF system. Actually, now you aware of this problem, you know how to buy this one, and you know how much you have to pay for this one. And next video I'm going to talk about how to refill the AdBlue system. If you want to check how to refill AdBlue system, you can follow this link and you can get the idea. Please subscribe and press bell icon and stay with me. You can get a lot of useful video and tips like this. Thank you. See you in another video.
Thanks for watching.